Good morning, everybody. It is Sunday and we are at Walgreens, and I hate to break it to you guys, but this is gonna be my last Walgreens video for now. If you guys haven't watched, I made a life update video about 2 weeks ago explaining my situation. My husband got laid off at Walgreens several months ago. He almost has a job. The person who's doing the hiring at this place is on vacation for like 2 weeks. So we have 2 more weeks, but he's pretty much got it. We're just like waiting for like, okay, this is when you start. So that's good news for us. I have a job now. YouTube is not making it financially what I used to do, and Etsy is not making it what I used to make. So I have to have a job. Most likely I need to have a job when the kids are at school. So I ended up getting a job at the school. So I have training over the next couple weeks to do. So I just decided it's going to be my last Walgreens video. Number one, I am extremely burnt out on waking up in the morning. The summer's ruined it for me, but I'm just extremely burnt out on couponing. If you guys notice, like, Walgreens has the same deals every single week. I swear you guys can get Olay body wash. It's always like $7 or $8, and then you can get a $5 register reward. Same thing with Old Spice, but the sales are just repetitive. They repeat themselves every single week or every other week. There's really rare there's ever some great deals, and I'm just kind of sick of getting the same deals. I know a lot of you guys love shopping at Walgreens, and a lot of you guys hate it. A lot of you guys have hated shopping at Walgreens because the registry rewards aren't working, the digital coupons aren't working, this isn't working, that isn't working, and I feel you. I'm just as frustrated with it as possible. But with my husband working the way he's going to be working like every other weekend, and I have 2 little kids, and I can't just leave and go couponing while they're home. And so I decided that I'm just going to be done with Walgreens for a little bit. Now, I'm thinking of other ways to share with you guys deals. Now, I still will be couponing. I just won't be doing it like extreme like I was. I might be doing where, like, I take a picture of the sale ad and then I take a picture of like what coupon to use, kind of like how I do my TikTok. And I might do like a compilation of all that kind of stuff if you guys are interested in something like that. I don't know if I'll post it on Sundays. It just depends on what we got going on. I'm going to say my family goes first. So either I'll post them on Sundays or I'll post it on Mondays if you guys like something like that. Me still kind of showing you guys the deals like that. And then I also might be doing, like, where if there's a really good deal at Walgreens, I might go do a video. I might go get my stuff, but then kind of just show you guys my haul. I could always run to Walgreens after I get done with work and then before my kids get done with school. I only have an hour to myself before I go to work when the kids go to school, and not even an hour to myself when the kids get back home from school. So not a lot of time to do that, but I will be planning on some like meal plannings. If you guys haven't watched my life update video, I explain it all, what's going on, but I'm just burnt out on doing YouTube. It's not worth it. Like, I used to make so much money, and now it's just like, there's no point. It's just not worth it for me. I'm not getting the views, and you know, that's fine. But we're still gonna go inside and have some fun shopping. Not a lot of great deals. I was just like, I don't even want to go to Walgreens today. I really did not want to go to Walgreens today, but I wanted to say goodbye to you guys. I wanted to say goodbye, but I'm not fully leaving. I'm still going to share with you guys some deals here and there. I want to do other kind of stuff on my YouTube channel, but I'm just kind of burnt out right now. So like the last couple weeks has been nice, because last week we went out of town and it was so nice not having to do a video on a Sunday. I haven't done Walmart in a month. I don't know if I'll go back to Walmart. I'm just really enjoying not doing these videos. Like, my stress level has gone so much down from not doing that. But let's go inside and see what we can do. So here's an easy freebie that you guys can do. We have these Oral-B toothbrushes. These are actually on sale for $3. We currently have a 6 off of 4 digital coupon. It's not going to pop up. We have a 6 off of 4 digital coupon that you guys will want to use right here. You will buy 4 toothbrushes. You will use that 6 off of 4, but you will pay $6 for 4 of them. But you will receive a $6 register reward, making them, all 4 of them, for free. And then I actually have a special coupon where if I buy 4 of them, I'll get an additional $6 in Walgreens cash. So I'm going to test that deal out and see. So this could be a $6 money maker. So if you guys are interested in that. Now, Ibotta does have a $2 I bought a rebate. So I was scanning a couple items. A lot of these do not qualify. This one does, but this one is $5. So if you guys do buy, you could buy 3 toothbrushes and you could buy a toothpaste. You'll pay, I think you'll pay like $8, but then you'll get $2 back with Ibotta and like $6 back with Crest. So it still will be an easy freebie, but with the way their coupons are going lately, I'm just gonna say it's up to you guys. The only thing is, I've learned my lesson, is this one right here. If you plan on buying this Stain Eraser Icy Mint Clean Toothpaste, be prepared that the register reward will not print. I've noticed, and you guys have told me, so I just wanted to give you guys a heads up, but great deal for the toothpaste. So here we have the Colgate toothpaste. A lot of these are on sale for just $4. You can get the Colgate toothpaste for $4. We also have the Colgate toothbrushes for $4. And then we also have the Colgate mouthwash for $4. Now, there's 2 different deals that you guys can do. We have a 4 off of 2 digital coupon for the toothpaste, and then we have a $4 off digital coupon for the mouthwash or the toothbrushes. So 4 off of 2 for each one. So what you're gonna do is you can buy 2 of the Colgate toothpaste. You're going to use that 4 off of 2. You will end up paying $4, but then you will receive a $3 register reward, making them both just $1 or 50 cents each. I'm getting toothpaste because I won't be couponing as hardcore as I used to, so 50 cents is an okay deal. But then it also will be 50 cents for the toothbrushes also, so which I think is a pretty great deal. So if you guys need that, they have to be in 2 separate transactions for both register rewards to print. So here we have a gift card deal. It's not the hottest deal, but we have the H&M, and then I'm not finding the total line in my store, but the H&M, it looks like the minimum is $15, the total line is $25. So you could buy 2 H&M gift cards for $30, but then you will receive a $10 Walgreens gift card, making it a $40 value for just $30. Otherwise, you can mix and match these 2, but otherwise you can spend $50. Oh, here it is. You can right here. You can get $50 worth of total wine and get a $10, making it a $60 value for $50. So it just depends on what you want to do, but these are great deals to do if you guys are thinking about Christmas ahead of time and you don't like spending so much at the holidays. This is a great time to do these gift card deals and just hold on to them until then. But yeah, just want to give you guys a heads up. A lot of the summer stuff is already getting marked down to, it looks like 25%, and that includes a lot of toys. So you got summer stuff and toys marked down to 25% off. So if you guys are eyeing stuff up and you see like 1 or 2 items, grab it because it won't be there again when you get there. But yes, so these are coming down. It says August 25th for the 25%, so I have a feeling sometime in the middle of September is when you'll see a lot of this stuff for 90% off. If it gets to 90, it might be down to 80. I have a feeling it'll probably go down to 80 just because Walgreens sucks. So yes. So if you guys like the Febreze small spaces, ooh, they have a new scent. For 4 for $10, we also have the regular Febreze 4 for $10. We have some Dawn Squeeze stuff for 4 for $10, and then there's some other things that are 4 for $10 also. If you guys are interested in that, we have the Gain 4 for $10, but I know a lot of you guys love the Dawn, so 4 for $10, pretty good deal. Otherwise, you can get some of the other ones 4 for $16, which is crazy, but 4 for $16, so yes. So here we have the deal of the week. It is the little baby bottles of the Arm & Hammer for $1.99 if you guys are interested in them. I don't use them specifically, but $1.99, great stock up price. So here we have the Chupa Chups Melody Pops. My kids went crazy when I bought these for them 2 weeks ago. So these are $1.29. I'm gonna buy 5 of them. 5 of them and pay $6.45. Checkout 51 has a deal where you can get 32 cents back times 5. And then there is a deal with Swag Bucks where if you buy 5 of them, you get $3.50 back. So again, you're gonna pay $6.45 for 5 of them. You get $3.50 back with Swag Bucks, and you'll get $1.60 back with Checkout 51. Making 5 of them just $1.35 or 27 cents each. So my kids are gonna be happy campers. So here we have the Walgreens baggies on sale this week. They're actually $2.79, but they are buy one, you get 2 free. So you will pay $2.79 for 3 boxes, and that makes them out to be just 93 cents. I'm gonna say these are not the greatest quality. Like, my school wants my kids to bring baggies, but I'm like, I feel like I should bring the Ziploc ones because these ones just don't seal as good. So I'm not sure what to do, but if you guys need some storage bags, freezer bags, the freezer bags are pretty good for $2.79. I still have Cheez-Its, but the Cheez-Its, I feel like they've been 3 for $5 for the last couple months. But if you guys need some Cheez-Its, or if you guys need some snacks for when school starts and just put them in little baggies, that's what I do. 3 for $5 is a great price for Cheez-Its. Okay, you guys, I am back from Walgreens. I didn't get a lot of stuff because, like I said, the deals are not the greatest this week. If I check out the deals next week and they might be hot, I might come back. But otherwise, I'm just gonna kind of just maybe take a month break. I was thinking while I was in the store, I'm gonna really miss couponing. I might do it when school starts, and I might do it every other Sunday. I will let you guys know. It's just gonna be, we'll figure it out. We'll figure out as it goes. You know, I just need a break. I need a break. I just want to just kind of do some stuff, but I didn't get very much stuff. I mostly just got like the toothpaste deal. So I ended up doing the Colgate toothpaste and toothbrushes for $4. I had a 3 off a 2 digital coupon. You would, you know, something's gross in my bag. You would end up getting these for like 50 cents each, which I got those. And then the Oral-B deal, I had that thing where you buy 4, you get $6 in registry rewards, which I did, but I did not get the $6 Catalina. So thank you, Walgreens, for screwing me over again. So we got that, and you know, I don't care now. Since my husband doesn't work for Walgreens anymore, I can say bad things about him, because the reason why I didn't tell anybody, because we had to wait for my husband to get his severance pay, but now Walgreens sucks. Walgreens is not doing the greatest. Yeah. But yeah. And then the other things I got was just these little lollipop things. That's all I got. So my total was $20.89. I paid with register rewards and I paid with points, but I did receive $12 back. I got 31 cents of points. I got $3.50 back for Swag Bucks, and then I got $1.60 back for Checkout 51. So my total came to $3.48. $3.48 for I don't even know how many items left. Yeah, I know you guys, like, it's not my normal go-to thing, but the deals were just not the greatest, and I just want to go home. I just want to go back to bed and just have a nice relaxing day. I hope the weather's like this, because it's gloomy, it's not too hot, I can just sit and relax. That's all I want to do. I gotta get the kids' school supplies all organized because they start school soon. But I hope you guys have an awesome day. Like I said, it's not my last Walgreens video. It's just goodbye for now. I will, you know, try to figure out what works better in my favor, but I still do like couponing, and I still want to have you guys share money or save money. But like I said, my husband will be working every other weekend, so it is hard, and he would be working at the crack of dawn, so it's hard for me to come into the store while he, you know, before he goes to work. And also, I don't like being at the store at nighttime. I feel like it's just a little bit busier, unless I go to my store, but I don't really like shopping at night. I like coming in the morning because it's kind of dead. So we will see. But like I said, it's not goodbye. It's just I'm taking a little break at least for the rest of the month, and then we'll see how it goes and see how I feel. But I'm just, you know, irritated with Walgreens on how everything happened with my husband. He worked there for they laid him off the day before his 19th year there. He did a lot of work and they walked him out. Wasn't even allowed to say goodbye to anybody. Just walked out. So yeah, Walgreens screwed my husband over, so I'm not gonna help them as much as I used to. And that's okay. So I will see you guys later. I still have a positive attitude. I'm still not leaving YouTube. I just need to take a break. And I will see you guys later. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.